Lexus has recently unveiled its latest offering in the luxury SUV segment, the all-new 2024 Lexus GX. This model has been completely redesigned and boasts a combination of luxurious features, off-road capability, and elegance. Lexus calls it a sophisticated utility vehicle, as it builds on a legacy of 20 years in the sport utility segment. The GX is now more adventure-ready, with the first-ever Overtrail grade, which comes with standard 33-inch all-terrain tires and 18-inch wheels. Under the hood, the 2024 GX features a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that delivers a robust 350 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. The combination of power and torque ensures that the GX can tackle challenging terrains while providing a smooth and comfortable ride. Additionally, Lexus has revealed that a hybrid powertrain option will be available later. The SUV also comes with a towing capacity of up to 8,000 pounds, making it versatile for various hauling needs. As for the exterior, the new GX exudes rugged elegance with an aggressive design that is accentuated by the brand's signature grille and sharp lines. The Lexus designers worked with the intention of expressing the off-road functionality through a body-on-frame SUV design, while ensuring the interior space exudes modern luxury. The vehicle's front has a bold design that enhances off-roading functionality with a wide track, fender flares, and raised premium triple-beam LED headlamps. The 2024 GX is offered in 6 grades. The interior of the 2024 GX is designed to offer a serene and luxurious space for the occupants. The driver-focused cockpit is adorned with modern technology and premium materials. A standout feature is the standard 14-inch multimedia touchscreen, part of the Lexus interface system. It offers seamless integration with smartphones through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interior has seating for up to 7 passengers and is adorned with premium materials like semi-aniline leather and Nulux trim. In terms of safety, the 2024 GX is equipped with the Lexus Safety System 3.0. This includes a suite of advanced safety features such as pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and lane departure alert with steering assist. These features are designed to help keep the driver and passengers safe by alerting them of potential hazards and assisting in maintaining control of the vehicle. The Overtrail grade deserves special mention as it brings the global Lexus Overtrail project to life. It is designed for those who have a thirst for adventure and nature exploration. The Overtrail grade adds features like 33-inch all-terrain tires, aluminum skid plate, and black accented over fenders. Inside, it continues with natural earth tones and offers an exclusive seat design for optimal off-road comfort. The multi-terrain select, crawl control, downhill assist control, and 3D multi-terrain monitor systems are standard on GX Overtrail grades. In conclusion, the 2024 Lexus GX is an impressive luxury SUV that offers a combination of rugged off-road capabilities and sophisticated features and design. It's the perfect vehicle for those who seek adventures without compromising on luxury and comfort. The all-new GX will be assembled in Japan at the Tahara plant and is expected to go on sale in early 2024. With its advanced safety features, powerful performance, and elegant design, the GX is set to make a significant impact in the luxury SUV market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.